you really gonna do this?
Oh, this is happening right now.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Be quiet, don't talk me out of it.
Oh my god.
Would you like to say something about what you're doing to the camera?
Are you recording?
What are you gonna say?
This is the naked mile.
What time of year is it, Mylan?
Where are you swimming?
What time of year is it right now?
March, hopefully.
Nice. What degree would you say that water is? Let's do it before and after. You can guess what it is now, and then once you
gotta like show
get back on the dock,
I wanna guess.
I'm gonna guess 45.
Oh my god, you poor thing. I feel so bad for him right now.
Say
I would
something.
do it with you, man, but I gotta work. And it's fucking cold. Okay.
No, I'm chicken shit. I said I'm chicken shit.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna drop my phone in the water.
Go.
Where are you gonna jump in at?
Down right now. Going good so far. Here, let me get on this side.
I'll do it.
I'll keep your clothes dry. Oh. Show it, dude. You gotta show.
No, I'm not gonna show everything.
Oh shit.
You can't see it. You can't see it.
Alright.
You can't see anything.
It's not that small. No need. You'll see when I get
Brad, you better fucking rubber get out of this shit.
I just have the shadow of you right there. Yes!
Get out of the fucking water, dude.
Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off.
Power to you, man.
Oh my god.
It's alright. Get my sweats on.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you.
Yeah, shake it off. We should have done this with a warm car waiting, but we'll just run back to the house.
I feel bad because he's like screwed.
Oh, not.
You see this? This is actually happening. You just rocked my Friday night. I'm not gonna lie. It's like the icing.
It's Saturday
on
morning.
everything.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, there you go. Saturday
4:30.
Here we go.
March 18th. No, March 19th.
High five. That was beautiful.
2011.
Water in the air.
Beautiful.